Take a look at rotations. So just like normal, go ahead and make a tab. Pause the video, copy that down. Pause the video, copy the rest of that down. Or rewind if that went too fast. Pause the video, copy that down. Alright, so if the center is not given, it is automatically 0, 0. If the center is not given, it's automatically 0, 0. Alright, so if the center is 0, 0, label the grid with numbers only, no negatives, and plot the points. So just like a normal grid, just don't put the negatives in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on either side, just no negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, same with the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so let's plot the points. So negative 4, 2, I'm going to go left 4 and up 2, and that's A. Left 2, up 2, that's B. Left 4, and then don't go up at all, or down, that's C. And then left 3, down 1, that's D. Left 5, and down 3, because they're negative, that's E. Left 4, down 1, that's F. Left 5, and don't move at all, is G. Go ahead and join all the points together. This is a listening check. Circle the letter E. Circle the letter E. Alright, once you've done that, put your pencil at the center of rotation and go ahead and turn your paper. So 90 degrees is 1 turn, 180 is 2, 270 is 3, and 360 is 4. So right now we're doing 180, and it's because of that negative, it's going to the clockwise. So it's to the right 2 times. So count from your new grid left or right. A is 4 right and 2 down. B is 2 right and 2 down. Oh, it's B prime. C is 4 right and 0. D is 3 and 1 up. 3 right, 1 up. E is 5 right and 3 up. F is 4 right and 1 up. And G is 5 right and then not moving. And I'm using arrows instead of right and left because that's just too much right. Alright, once you've done that, put your paper upright again and then follow the instructions. So again, A is 4 right, 2 down. We plot A prime. B prime is 2 right and 2 down. And that's B prime. C is 4 right and not moving. C prime. D is 3 right and 1 up. So you go 3 right and 1 up. E is 5 right and 3 up. F is 4 right and 1 up. G prime is 5 right and not moving. Okay, then go ahead and join all the points together. This is a listening check. Put a box around the letter A prime. Put a box around the letter A prime. Alright, so now write down the coordinates for your points using the original grid. It's very important to use the original one. So I'm just going to write A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime, F prime, and G prime. So now use the numbers. So A is 4, negative 2. B prime is 2, negative 2. C prime is 4, 0. I'm just writing the coordinates of the blue figure. D prime is 3, 1. E prime is 5, 3. F prime is 4, 1. And G prime is 5, 0. And that's pretty much it. So let's take a look at another example. So example 2, go ahead and rotate figure A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime, F prime, G prime, negative 90 degrees. Negative 90 degrees. I'm going to fix that negative in a second. There you go. Alright, so again, you're doing 0, 0 if it's not said. So we've already plotted the grid because we're going to do it on the same grid. Put your pencil center of rotation. You're going to go clockwise because it's negative, so go to the right, and 90 degrees is 1 turn. So you're just going to turn your book 1 time and stop. Okay, now once you're there, you're going to count each point and write it down. So we're going A double prime, because now we've rotated the figure twice, is 2 left, 4 down. B double prime is 2 left and 2 down. C double prime is 0 and 4 down. D double prime is 1 right and 3 down. D double prime is 1 right and 3 down. E double prime is 3 right and 5 down. F double prime is 1 right and 4 down. This is a listening check. Color in F double prime, 1 right, 4 down. Color it in. And G double prime is don't move and go 5 down. Then it says put your paper upright again, follow the directions and plot your new one. So we're going 2 left, 4 down, that's going to be A double prime. 2 left and 2 down, that's double prime B. 0 and 4 down, C double prime. 1 right and 3 down, that's D double prime. 3 right and 5 down, that's E double prime. 1 right and 4 down, that's F double prime. 0 and 5 down, that's G double prime. And let me just say this, because you guys are over here just copying down after I draw it. If you're not doing this with me, you are cheating. And let me just say again, if you are cheating, who are you cheating? Yourself. Because you know what? Guess what? I'm still going to get paid my little minimum wage. Okay, so go ahead and do this video for real. Alright, so let's write down the new coordinates. So you put it upright and then read from the graph. So A double prime is -2, -4. B is -2, -2. C is 0, 4. -4. Listening check. Put a negative with that 4. D is 1, -3. E is 3, -5. F is 1, -4. And G is 0, 5. Alright, we're going to add a final step. Fix the signs of your original grid, because remember, no grid is all positive, right? The left going the X direction is negative and the Y down is negative. Alright, let's take a look at a final example. And this one is going to be a special one. So pause the video and copy the question down. It's a listening check. Color in example 3. Color example 3. Alright, going to draw a grid. If it's not 0, 0, what you're going to do is plot the points and then you're going to draw a new grid. So let's go ahead and plot H, I, J, K, L. J is 4, 2, so 4 right, up 2. K is 3 right, 2 up. L is 3 right, 1 down. And you just join them in order so that it gives you the shape. Just join the points in order. So it goes H, I, J, K, L, and then back to H. Alright, so plot the points. Then now you're going to draw a new grid with the numbers no negatives at 1, -1, which is a point of rotation. This is a new grid. So you plot the point 1, -1, and then you draw an X and Y axis going through that point with the center being that point. So this is your new grid. Then you're going to label it with numbers, but no negatives. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. No negatives. The listening check. Underline the coordinate given for K in the question 3, 2. Alright, then you're going to put your pencil at the center of rotation, which is your new origin, and you're going to turn it. Clockwise is left, is right, and counterclockwise is right. So this one is 270 to the left. 270 to the left. When there's no sign, it is positive, so to the left. Now let's write it down. What's going on? So it's 2 right, 0. I is 2 right, 3 down. J is 3 right, 3 down from the new origin. K prime is 3 right, 2 down. L prime is 0, 2 down. Now you're going to put your paper back upright again and follow the directions of the new point still on the new grid. So go ahead and that's a listening check. Add on the new grid. So now let's follow the directions. 2 right and 0. Then 2 right, 3 down. That's going to be I prime. 3 right, 3 down. That's going to be J prime. 3 right, 2 down. That's going to be K prime. And then 0 and 2 down is going to be L prime. Go ahead and join those points in order. So H, I, J, K, L prime. This is a listening check. Circle K prime. Circle K prime. Alright, now you write down the coordinates on the points using the original grid. So you're going to ignore these numbers and use it from the original grid, which is like that greenish bluish line. So we're just going to count. So count. H prime is 3 right and 1 down, so -1. I prime is 3 right and 4 down, so that's 3, -4. J is 4 right and 4 down, so that's 4, -4. K prime is 4 right and 3 down, so 4, -3. L prime is 1 right and 3 down, so 1, -3. And that's it. That's all there is to rotations. Let's practice.